Unfortunately, this shop is... What's the price? I think that's the best valuable tip I can give you in this video. Good evening, welcome back to a new vlog. As you saw from the title, it is VR Mall. Going to VR Mall after months. I don't know when I went the last time. Now shooting after the lockdown was opened here in Chennai. What you're going to see in today's video is all about VR Mall and some shopping and some window shopping, gadget shopping and some maybe a little bit of food. Stay tuned. And I will show you some of my day, which is going to be a little more special as the video goes. Let's spin to VR Mall in 3, 2, 1. And in VR Mall car parking, let's go. And by the way, one of my buddy here in Spark Supermarket. Okay guys, in entered VR Mall. I'm looking for some stock shopping. I wanted to buy a few things, let's see if it is available. I don't know where it is. Where is it? I think it's Aptronics. I think the only good thing which I did is purchasing the MacBook Pro M1 chip. Rest all shops are closed. I can't show you guys anything. Very sorry about that. It's a bad time to come to VR Mall, but good time for this guy. Unfortunately, this shop is closed. I don't know why. Many shops are closed actually. I don't know what to show. I don't know where to go. I don't know what to eat also. To check some shirt. I feel this shirt looks nice. What's the price? Taco Bell is open, but I somehow don't like Taco Bell. Are you guys a fan of Taco Bell? Do let me know in the comments. Looking something to drink, something to eat also. Everything is closed. If you want to come and eat here, bad choice to come. Especially this month, which is in July month, I'm recording this video. But still, I want to eat something. Let's go and find out. I think we'll go to the third floor and see what is there. We'll go this way. We'll exit VR Mall. There's nothing there to eat here. Almost everything is shut down. Whatever you need, whatever the food you like. Example, Amaravati. I wanted to try something in Amaravati. Amaravati is also closed. Many restaurants are closed. It's all yet to open. Bad time to come totally. I'm going to exit the mall. Let's spin it again. After VR Mall, ended up in Adyar Bakery to buy some also a tea cake. Looks good. 2/7. Today is first or second today. Yeah. One more. If you're a fan of walnut cake, do let me know in the comments, especially the Adyar Bakery one. Good evening from next day. I'm so sorry I couldn't shoot anything yesterday. Apologize for what you have come here in the video. VR Mall was so empty. I've never seen the mall this empty in recent time. I hope all the shops will open very soon. A quick little tip for you guys. If you are thinking of shopping a gadget or anything regarding Apple product, do visit the Aptronics show. Don't think this video is sponsored in any way. Genuinely saying this, go and visit the Apple store if you are looking for any Apple products. They have very good offers, especially for people who are looking for MacBook Pro M1 chip. The M2 is coming up. If you're looking to get a nice discounted offer on M1, then this is the time to go, because they are selling the M1 like in good price. I think that's the best valuable tip I can give you in this video. Mind blowing. Wow. What is the shop name? Mithwale. So good. Pani puri, bel puri, but I don't want to have. Kachori is my favorite. It was restaurant called Mithwale, I think that is the name. Earlier it was Ajnabi, which I used to come and have, but this was something different. Usually I used to have pani puri and bel puri. That used to be my favorite, but I thought I'll try a kachori. Kachori is also my favorite. I had a very long day. I couldn't show much of my day today, but just wanted to show you some kachori and some food. It's in OMR Food Street next to AGS Cinemas Mall. So I had work over here, so just stopped by to have some food. The time is 6:20, 10 more minutes for the Formula 1 to start. Second Austrian Grand Prix. So I'm shooting today on the Austrian Formula 1 Grand Prix, waiting for the race. But unfortunately I can't watch. But my good friend Hotstar is there in my mobile, so I think that will do. Please comment down below what is your favorite chat item. Is it pani puri or is it bel puri or samosa or whatever it is? Do let me know what is the chat item. I am personally a big fan of badam milk as well as rose milk, but badam milk was which made me to have try rose milk, especially the one which I started with was Kakada Ram Prasad, which was in Paris, I think Paris or Royabrome, Saukarpet, somewhere there. So that's where I started badam milk fan cravings, and now it has ended up in Phoenix Mall. They have opened a branch there. It's been a long time, and now over here, not bad actually. It's time to end the video. If you like this video, do give me a thumbs up. I'm so sorry for the short vlog where I couldn't show anything much. Until next time, take care. Bye bye.